The Allerpark is a public leisure park in the German city of Wolfsburg. It is located between the districts of Neuhaus-Reislingen, Vorsfelde, Wolfsburg-Nordstadt and Wolfsburg-Stadtmitte. The Allersee Lake, which was created at the end of the 1960s, forms the heart of the park. The Allerpark covers an area of 130 hectares and is home to a multitude of leisure facilities and attractions such as the AOK Stadium, the BadeLand Wolfsburg swimming pool and water park complex, the Eis Arena Wolfsburg ice rink and the Volkswagen Arena, as well as a number of other facilities that can be used for free. For example, beach volleyball courts, a skatepark and several playgrounds. The company Wolfsburg AG is responsible for the marketing of the Allerpark. Work on the Allerpark began in 1969 after the respective decisions were taken by Wolfsburg City Council. The river Aller was diverted in order to create the Allersee Lake. The aim of the project was for the Allerpark to not only fulfill a cultural purpose, but also play a symbolic role for the city and the surrounding region. A multitude of clubs and associations have been based by the Aller or Allersee since the 1950s and 1960s, for example Wolfsburg's canoeing, rowing and yacht clubs. In 1975, the city initially had to postpone further work on the Allerpark due to reductions in revenue from taxes paid by Volkswagen. Nevertheless, it was able to open the BadeLand Wolfsburg indoor swimming pool and water park complex just 2 years later. This was then joined by an ice rink now known as the Eis Arena Wolfsburg. The Allersee was made deeper again in 1987. It is currently 1230 meters long and 270 meters wide, and contains nearly 1 million cubic meters of water. In the 1990s, the service sector in Wolfsburg was relatively weak, and there was a large drain on purchasing power into the surrounding region. This motivated the creation of the AutoVision concept, which Volkswagen presented to the city as a gift on the occasion of its 60th anniversary. The concept contained a multitude of measures designed to strengthen the quality of life and competitiveness of the city of Wolfsburg. One of these measures was the creation of a world of experience with the Allerpark at its core. Plans were made to establish a number of high-quality leisure facilities in the Allerpark area that would not only make the city of Wolfsburg a more attractive location, but also increase its service sector and create jobs. The company Wolfsburg AG was founded as the body responsible for the implementation of the AutoVision concept. The city of Wolfsburg and Volkswagen each had a 50% share in the public-private partnership. Wolfsburg AG has been coordinating the project development of the Allerpark since the end of the 1990s. A start was made with the completion of the Volkswagen Arena, the home stadium of the VfL Wolfsburg football club, in 2002. The BadeLand Wolfsburg was also opened in the same year, and replaced the city's former indoor swimming pool and water park, which had burned down in 1998. The Allerpark was fully modernized and redesigned on the occasion of the German Federal Garden Show in 2004. This involved the creation of new features such as an additional lake and new hilly landscapes, for which the park received the German Landscape Architecture Award in 2005. The fact that the Allerpark constituted a large part of the event area alongside the gardens of Wolfsburg Castle also led to the creation of elements such as new car parks and areas for visitors using private transport. The Eis Arena Wolfsburg was opened in 2006. Over the last few years, a number of facilities that can be used for free have also been developed in the Allerpark. For example, routes and circuits for inline skaters and joggers. A total of 315 new jobs were created in the Allerpark between 2000 and 2010. The park's attractions and facilities attract several millions of visitors every year. The most recent constructions to be added to the Allerpark are the AOK Stadium, which was opened in 2015. And hosts the home matches of the women's and youth teams of the VfL Wolfsburg football club, the VfL Centre and the VfL Football World.